Assalamu alaikum everyone. Um, Today I will talk about my daily routine. Every day except Friday and Saturday, I wake up at 6:30 a.m. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face. I go to school at 8 a.m. Our morning assembly starts at 8:15 and ends at 8:30. Um, to 8 to 2 p.m. our school ends and I came at home. I came at home 2:30. Then take my lunch and bath. I go to Bhasha school to learn English at 4 p.m. Coming after coming Bhasha school at 5:30 p.m. I After coming Bhasha school at 5:30 p.m. I go to my tuition